Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can make $13 in 1 minute over and over again with a simple strategy. You wanna know how? Watch the video till the end and you will find out. And before we'll take an action, subscribe to my channel because I'm posting videos about making money online every single day, and you definitely need to subscribe if you are interested in earning money, and also turn on all notifications in order to see fresh new videos to start making money faster than others. Alright, so I hope you already made it. Let's start. So we're gonna be using two websites to make a pretty good money, but watch till the end. I'm gonna show you a free tool that basically will do the work for you, so you don't need any skills, any experience or that kind of stuff. It really helps. First site that we'll need is smth.com. I don't know, have you ever heard about this platform or not, but I found it a few months earlier and I really liked it. So basically smth.com is a place or some kind of marketplace where people can sell handcrafted items, but you don't really need to create a real life item. It can be some digital product that can be sold unlimited amount of times. So keep watching, I'll explain everything. To make money with Etsy, you need to go to their official website atsy.com or the first link in a Google search. So at first you need to go to the bottom of the website and click here sell on Etsy. It will lead you to the next page where we can see that millions of shoppers can't wait to see what you have in your store. Click on open your shop and you need to create an account if you already don't have, but you can click continue with Google or continue with Facebook, which I personally like because it is really fast. When you do that, you will need to choose some information about your future shop. Here, shop language. There are a lot of languages, but I personally recommend you to choose English. Also, you can select any country. You can select your country where located, or you select just any country. And also here you can select currency. Here are US dollar, Canadian dollar, Euro, British pound, Australian dollar, and all other currencies. But I personally recommend use US dollar. It's kind of standard and a common for all these kind of shops. Next, this section, which of these best describes you? Selling is my full-time job. I sell part-time, but I hope to sell full-time. I sell part-time and that's how I like it, and other. But I recommend you to choose selling is my full-time job. Then save and continue, then name your shop. For example, let's try, I don't know, best shop on Etsy, for example. Let's check if it's available or not. Yes, I can use it. So save and continue, and then you'll add a listing here, and then you'll select here how you'll get paid for sales you make. You can select PayPal, and I recommend you to use it because it's the most easy way. But if PayPal is not available in your country, there will be different options to choose. So now I will show you what we actually will sell here. We type in a flyer, and so yeah, 21,000 results with a search flyer. So we can definitely say that a lot of people come here to check and buy some flyer designs from people who make this. So for example, take a look at this person right here. We click on it and we see that this person sold this for $13 19,000 times. It's crazy, right? So if we do a simple math here, they made about $247,000 just by providing these flyer designs. Yeah, and here we got many people doing this. Remember, 21,000 result with a search flyer. So I don't know how much sales are made here per day, and I don't say that you will make the similar results instantly, but I guess you can make it pretty well here. So as I said at the beginning, I'll show you a free tool to make these kind of flyers, even if you don't have skills in Photoshop or in creating that kind of things, or if you maybe don't want to learn how to make these. And once again, guys, please subscribe to my channel and comment "I'm subscribed," and I will answer to all of your comments. It will really helps me to grow on YouTube, and the profit for you of subscribing and turning all notifications on is that when I'm uploading new video, you'll be notified and watch the new strategy how to make money one of the first and be able to start making money even faster. And also please leave a like to this video, it will help me, and you'll save this video in your liked videos on YouTube. Maybe if you have some questions or you get something wrong, you can rewatch the video and make this clear. Alright, so I hope you do this. So yeah, the tool that you need is the website canva.com. I guess maybe you heard about this site. So if you don't like Photoshop, if you don't have skills in Photoshop, you can definitely use this. And as I said, Canva almost doing everything for you. You just need to correct something. So you come over here and create an account, or just log in with a Facebook or a Google account. As I said, I personally prefer this kind of signing up. So here a lot of templates that we can choose and create a design that we need, and then you can resell it unlimited amount of times. So you go to the search here and type flyer. It will lead here where are a lot of different designs of flyers that you can choose from. So for example, I choose this one, it looks great. You can change literally everything here: font, text, colors, the background. So for example, I don't know, let's type here money on Etsy. Yeah, I select the text, change the size. Also we can change the font, or like this. And yeah, you can download to your computer, then upload it to the etsy.com and start selling it and making money. And you also, of course, you can make a lot of listings with such flyers, so you can make more sales, make more money. So it's obviously, guys, right? So if you like this video, subscribe and leave a like, and I recommend you to watch these videos to find out more ways to make money online. So see you next time.